Gwaza Mkhonto Wesizwe Gwaza, viva Mkhonto Wesizwe, viva President Jacob Zuma, phatha Mkhonto Wesizwe, phatha President Jacob Zuma. No man, comrades, I just wanted to check, is it only me that noticed when General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi was testifying, there were those who were disappointed when he didn't say bad things about President Jacob Zuma. There were those that were disappointed. You could see even in their face, you could see they couldn't even hide it. They are disappointed. You can see that they expected General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi to say bad things about President Jacob Zuma. So I don't know, is it only me that noticed that, or kanjani, comrades? And I hope even now babebati no President Jacob Zuma fired General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Manje iqiniso sebalitholile eliphuma kuyo General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi ukuthi no, he was not fired by President Jacob Zuma. So amaqiniso, the good thing about all this thing is that neti iyazwa. For all these years, the mainstream media has misled the people of South Africa even about President Jacob Zuma. But now this is now where we get the truth. Iqiniso neti elenyona. Now you get to see ukuthi abobani, abashana babobani, abahamba ngeimoto ezidurayo, abahlala endlini ezidurayo. Now you get to see who are the real state captures. You now get to see. All this time we were misled by the mainstream media. That's why yabona ama TikTok, ama YouTube, we love them. Because they will not come back and report back to you, we have misled you. They will not come back to tell you, to even apologize. They will not come back, what was the real reason all these years to even attack President Jacob Zuma. And that's why for some of us, even in this time, it shows we never made a mistake by following President Jacob Zuma. We never made a mistake by joining Umkhonto Wesizwe, because of now you get to see who are the real state captures. You get to even see how some of your leaders get to be disappointed when good things are being said about President Jacob Zuma. So comrades, sasekanjalo imadlanga commission will be resuming ad hoc committee. It's happening. So comrades, asithi amandla. No, asibonge General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi for the good work that he's doing for South Africa. South Africa is going to be free from all this nonsense. All these leaders of yours will be exposed. Yeah, amandla.